In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to NordVPN obfuscated servers using OpenVPN. If you're trying to get reliable protection on networks that limit VPN traffic, obfuscated servers are a great solution. They make your VPN connection look like regular internet traffic, which helps in places where standard VPN connections might be blocked or unstable. Let's walk through how to set this up in a clear, simple way. Start by opening the NordVPN app and heading into Settings. This is where you'll control how the app connects to the VPN. Inside Settings, look for the Auto Connect or the VPN section. Different versions of the app may label it slightly differently, but you're looking for the area that lets you choose the VPN protocol. Here, make sure the protocol is set to OpenVPN. You can choose either OpenVPN TCP or OpenVPN UDP. A quick note on these options. UDP is typically faster and works well for general browsing and streaming, while TCP is a bit more robust and can be better on restrictive networks, since it's more tolerant of unstable connections. If you're not sure which to pick, you can start with UDP and switch to TCP if you run into issues. The key is that you're using OpenVPN for obfuscation to work properly. Once that's set, go back to the main screen of the NordVPN app. Look for the section called Specialty Servers. This area contains server types designed for specific needs, and obfuscated servers are the ones we want. Select Obfuscated Servers. When you tap it, NordVPN will automatically connect you to the best available server. Best available usually means a server with a good balance of low load and proximity, which helps with both speed and stability. Give it a moment to establish the connection. Once it's active, your traffic will be routed through an obfuscated tunnel. If you prefer to connect through a specific country, you can do that as well. Next to Obfuscated Servers, click the three dots. You'll see a list of available countries that support obfuscation. Choose the one that fits your needs, whether that's for lower latency, accessing region-specific services, or simply personal preference. The app will then connect using an obfuscated server in that location. That's all there is to it. By setting OpenVPN as your protocol and using obfuscated servers, you're maximizing compatibility on restrictive networks while keeping your connection secure. Keep in mind that obfuscation can slightly reduce speed compared to standard servers, which is normal given the extra work involved. When you're done, disconnect from the main screen just like any other VPN session.